What's going on, guys? Excuse me, Clayton here with DDP Motorsports. We have this 2016 Dodge Ram 2500 here that he is getting a coolant flush, getting one of our new Hooligan Turbochargers, which is a 6367, and it does come with the very sought after city diesel actuator. Let me show you a couple other modifications as well here. All right, and this guy definitely needed a coolant change, as you can see. Definitely been in there for a long time. Customer got a Banks intake horn, our DDP Motorsports 6367 turbo with the city diesel actuator, and of course we're going to be doing some other maintenance to the truck. We're going to be making sure that we do a full inspection of his vehicle to make sure that he is safe to be on the road so we can keep on trucking. Alrighty guys, so that's what we got today. So we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.